You know, it's funny how we often get caught up in the whirlwind of life, right? We rush from one task to another, our minds buzzing with worries and to-do lists. And sometimes we forget to pause, to breathe, to appreciate. That's where gratitude meditation comes in, and I'm excited to share with you just how transformative this practice can be. Picture this. You settle into a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. In that moment, you're not just inhaling air, you're inviting in a sense of peace, a moment of stillness that can shift your entire day. Let's talk about the benefits of gratitude meditation. First off, it enhances positivity and optimism. When you focus on what you're grateful for, it's like flipping a switch in your brain. Instead of dwelling on negativity or stress, you start to see the good around you. It's a subtle shift, but it's powerful. You know those days when everything feels heavy? Gratitude meditation can lighten that load, helping you recognize the silver linings. It's like putting on a pair of rose-colored glasses, where suddenly, the world looks a little brighter. And speaking of stress, let's not forget how gratitude meditation can reduce anxiety. When you redirect your attention to the things you appreciate, it's like giving your mind a mini vacation from worry. You take those deep breaths, and with each exhale, you release tension. It's calming, almost like a warm hug for your mind. Imagine sitting there, focusing on a loved one, a cherished memory, or even the simple pleasure of your morning coffee. That's where the magic happens. You're not just thinking, you're feeling, and that feeling can wash over you like a wave of relaxation. Now, let's dive a little deeper into emotional resilience. Life throws challenges at us, some big, some small, but gratitude can help us navigate those rocky waters. When you cultivate gratitude, you're building a mental toolkit. It's like having a safety net that catches you when you fall. You start to realize that even in tough times, there's something to be thankful for. Maybe it's the support of a friend or the lessons learned from a difficult experience. Gratitude becomes your anchor, grounding you in the storm. And here's something I absolutely love. Gratitude strengthens relationships. When you take a moment to reflect on the people in your life, you begin to appreciate them more deeply. It's not just about acknowledging their presence. It's about recognizing the impact they have on your life. Maybe it's a friend who always knows how to make you smile, or a family member who supports you unconditionally. When you focus on gratitude, you're nurturing those connections, and that can lead to more meaningful interactions. It's like sprinkling a little joy into your relationships. Now, let's talk about the physical benefits, because who doesn't want to feel good in their body, right? Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can improve sleep quality, reduce physical discomfort, and enhance overall health. It's fascinating how our mental state can influence our physical well-being. When you're in a state of gratitude, your body responds positively. You might notice that you sleep better after a gratitude meditation session, or that you feel more energized throughout the day. It's like a holistic approach to wellness. So, how do you actually practice gratitude meditation? It's simpler than you might think. First, find a comfortable position. You can sit, lie down, or even take a gentle walk. Just make sure you're in a space where you can relax and focus. Close your eyes if it feels natural, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale fully. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. Next, bring to mind something you're grateful for. It could be a person, a recent accomplishment, or even a small joy like a warm cup of tea. Allow yourself to really focus on that feeling of gratitude. Notice the warmth it brings, the happiness that blooms in your chest. Let it expand as you breathe in and out. With each inhale, deepen in your appreciation. And with each exhale, feel that sense of calm spreading through your body. And here's a little tip. Be open to the small moments. You don't need grand gestures or major life events to feel grateful. Sometimes, it's the simple things. A beautiful sunset, a kind word from a stranger, or even the comfort of your favorite blanket that can spark that feeling of appreciation. As you practice, pay attention to how gratitude feels in your body. Is it a warm sensation in your heart? A smile creeping onto your face? Let those positive sensations fill you up. As you conclude your meditation, take a moment to set an intention. Maybe it's to carry that feeling of gratitude with you throughout the day, or to share it with someone you love. When you open your eyes, reflect on any shifts in your state of mind and body. It's amazing how just a few minutes of gratitude can change your perspective. Practicing gratitude meditation regularly can significantly improve your mood and emotional well-being. It strengthens social connections, enhances resilience, and even boosts your physical health. When you train your mind to focus on the positives, you're not just changing your outlook, you're transforming your life. So I encourage you to give it a try. Take a few moments each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. You might be surprised at how it shifts your perspective and brings a sense of joy and balance into your life. Remember, gratitude is a practice, and like any other skill, the more you nurture it, the stronger it becomes. Let's embrace gratitude together and watch as it blooms in our lives, one moment at a time.